Hi guys, Mr. Michael here. I had a question about having speech-to-text access for Readworks, which is this program that some of the teachers are using where you go in and listen to or read a passage of information, and then you click on this little Book of Knowledge tab, and then you type something that you learned from what you read. And you could do this with just the regular Google program and a doc and copy and paste it over, but it seems like the easier way is to use this new speech-to-text Chrome extension. So the way you find that uh, is here. So do a Google search for Google Chrome speech-to-text, and the first thing that comes up here is our Chrome Web Store speech-to-text voice recognition extension. And instead of remove from Chrome, you'll have add to Chrome where this button is here. And click that add to Chrome and it'll say it needs permission to use your microphone. And once you have that added, it's going to be up in your Chrome extensions here, which is this little toolbar in the upper right. If you don't see it in your list, that means it's not pinned there yet. So this is the icon we're looking for. I have it pinned. If you click the little puzzle piece here, it gives you the list of your extensions. And you can scroll down and find speech to text there and click that little pin, and that'll pin it up here so that you'll have it. So now that I have it pinned up here, I just click on that little blue microphone, pardon me, and now I've got my box open here, which is where I can do my speech to text. So all I do is go down and tap the little blue microphone. So I'm kind of pretending now that I'm in Readworks over here, and I'm wanting to write in here. And so once I'm there, I would just go over, tap on here, tap the blue microphone. I haven't actually read this article on becoming a meteorologist, so I don't have a good example of what I would write, but I'm just going to give an example by reading something and saying period at the end, period. So here I have everything that I'm saying typed out for me, period. Now you can see I went down and hit that blue microphone and it was red, meaning stop. So once I did that, I have the text of what I stated in there. If you keep that running, it's going to say everything that you say in the background. So be sure that you only tap that for your speech to text that you want to have written down on your assignment. Once you do that, it's automatically highlighted, and then you, as it says down here, go to your keyboard, press the control button in the lower left hand of the keyboard, hold that down, and then press the key C as in cat. Now you come over to your Readworks box here, and you hold down the control button on the keyboard again in the lower left, and you type the letter V as in violin. And there's your text right in the box. And if you want to add more, you can just simply then toggle back to your speech to text window from that little icon and go about writing more. You can hit enter and have a new space here. And then we're going to hit the button again. Now I'm ready to write my second sentence that I wanted to add to Readworks, period. I could add as many sentences as I want at one time, period, or I could come back and go back and forth doing one sentence at a time, period. Again, Control C, back to my passage, Control V, and now I've pasted in. Once you're there, you can move things around as you need to. And then I could submit my assignment without having had to type any of it, just using my voice. Okay, hope that was helpful.